Hi all, welcome to the video. Thanks very much for joining me again. Sorry I haven't posted for a while, been a busy few days. Anywho, today we're going to look at something that I haven't seen a lot of covered on the internet anywhere. Perhaps I've been living under a rock, I don't know. But we're going to be looking at mapped areas applied to images. So as you can see, this example over here is an image. Ignore this down here for now, and if I go up to the end of this finger, then you can see that it has a link, or a clickable area rather, which is a link, and it goes to Google. Now if I go anywhere else, nothing. If I go to the end of this finger, it's linked or clickable, and goes to W3 schools. So that's what we're going to be looking at. Let's get rid of this. So let's get into it. Right, over here I've created a folder called Map Area Links, and in there I've got a image folder with the hand JPEG. Nothing too strenuous. In here I'm going to put an index.html and also a styles.css, although to be honest, in the styling there's basically font family, just because I wanted to, and the colour of the body, and that's all I've done for this, because it's not about that. So background colour, say 2s, and the colour of the text is going to be E's. So save that. Let's go back to the screen and let's open it. Okay, it would help if I actually put something in here. There we go, and then linked to the style sheet. Styles.css. What have I done wrong, people? Oh, nothing. Okay, right. Map area links. Save. There we go. I'm going to put a star by that, just so I know which is which. Right then, as you probably guessed by now, the first thing to do is, well, we're going to close that and zoom in a little bit. First thing to do is actually put the image in. So image tag source, and we know that it's in the images folder, /hand, there it is. And alternate text, I'm going to put hand, and I'm going to give it a width of 400. That's CSS for you. 400, and a height of 379. Save. There it is. So that should be the same as this one. Yep. Okay, so the important thing we need to do here is instruct this image to use map with the use map command, instruction, property, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to name it hand map, so that's what I'm going to put in here with a hashtag, so hand map, and then save that. So down here I'm going to use the map tag, so map and tab, and in here is where we need to put that hand map name. Not sure why there's a hashtag in there, but that's how it is. Strange, but anyway, within here is where you want to put the areas that are to be clickable. So we need the area tag, and if you put area and tab, it automatically fills in the properties you need to fill out for you. So the shape, I'm going to do a circle. Coordinates we'll get to in a mo. And this one is got a link to google.com, and the alternate text is going to be a fifth finger, and also I'm going to say target blank, which will open the link in a new tab. So we need to sort the coordinates out. So if we put in here, say 0, 0, 20, save, and we go over here, you'll see that up at 0, 0 coordinate we have a clickable area, which is, you can't see it, and I haven't figured out an easy way to make it viewable so it's easier to place, but this is why over here I had this little JavaScript mouse position indicator running, but as you can see 0, 0, if we change this one to, I don't know, 100 and save it, then it's no longer there, but if we go across, there it is, because that's the x-axis. This is the y-axis, and that is the diameter of the circle. So we need to figure out, because I want it to be right on the end of this finger, we need to figure out the coordinates top left, I believe. And to do that I used this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, right, I'm going to copy from off screen over here, I'm going to put it down here out the way. So we've got a paragraph tag of mouse position, which is this, and a span with a mouse position ID, and in here we need this map image to be the ID up here. Save, and if we go back over here you'll see that we've got that, but don't worry about that. If that is something that if you would find useful for this sort of project, then that's fine. It'll be in the GitHub repo and you can download it and do whatever. I think I just ripped it off the internet, to be honest with you, because well, it was easier. Anyway, we want to find this corner here, and I worked out that you can see the mouse position of 127. So if I go 130 along, save, if we go just above you'll see that that's where it is, and now we need to come down about 55. So there it is. So you just need to do the same thing for the other finger. So if we click this, it opens Google in another tab. So to do another one, we just put in another area tag, and then put circle. I find circles easy to work with. You can use rectangles, but it just means that over here you'd add another coordinate, because you'd be putting the width and height in rather than just the diameter, but I'm going to stick with circles. In the coordinates, let's have a look. So we go over 180, yeah, 180. Sorry if you can hear noise in the background, there's builders next door. And then we go down, say 30, and we'll make this also 20 in diameter. We also need to, let's see if that's there. Well, there's no href, so there won't be. HTTPS www.w3 schools, brilliant website. And alternate text, I'm going to put, what was it, second finger, third finger, second or third, I don't know. It's a finger, third finger, because all thumbs are fingers, but not all fingers are thumbs. Is that the saying? Anyway, and also target is blank. Save. So we go back up here, and there we go. But it's starting a bit early. Why is that? We go down 45. So let's bring it down to 45. Save that. That's about right there. So this is a bit tetchy, isn't it? Anyway, it's made harder because you can't actually see the clickable areas. You have to sort of work in this manner. But I mean, I don't really see a use for this unless you've got an image which contains several objects and you want each object to click off to a different section of a website or something, which is quite cool and I have seen done. So this would be how you did it. Anyway, let's click this one to make sure it works. Yep. And the other one. Yep. Sweet. All good. And that is basically it. That is how you achieve that. So hopefully you've learnt something. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.